Hey there, today I'll talk about why Pinterest is not a social media and how to use it instead so you can grow your visibility. Let's jump right into it. If you're new here, my name is Isabelle and I help coaches, course creators, and service providers attract dream customers using the power of Pinterest. Now, today I'll be giving you 3 quick tips to help you understand how to best use Pinterest for growing your business. And stay until the end because I'll be giving you a free guide to help you get started. All right, so first things first, we often lump in Facebook and Instagram with Pinterest. We often think of Pinterest as a social media, but that would be a mistake because actually Pinterest has way more in common with Google and YouTube than it has with Facebook and Instagram. And the reason is that because Pinterest is not a social media. Pinterest is a search engine. And there lies the first tip in understanding how to best use Pinterest. It's at the core of this entire usage of that platform. So there are actually 2 billion searches done every single month on the platform, and yes, billion with a B. And if that number seemed to be just really big, well, it actually is, and that boils down to 45,000 searches every single minute on the platform. It's the 3rd biggest search engine in the world. So while your competitors are focusing on Facebook and Instagram, why not capture the power of Pinterest for your business? It could be something that you might want to consider for growing your business. So now imagine there's this platform out there that's built to drive traffic to websites and that not a lot of people really understand how to use it. However, people are starting to clue in more and more to the power of Pinterest. So of course, when we're talking about search engine, we talk about keywords, right? Keywords are part of the recipe of success on Pinterest. And so the beauty though with researching keywords on Pinterest is that it's actually not that difficult. So let me show you how. All right, so let's say you're a copywriter and you're creating content about copywriting. You'll simply go in the Pinterest search engine, you'll type in copywriting, and you'll see there at the top the most popular results that are associated with that term. Click on one of those and under you'll see those very colorful tiles. These are additional keywords ranked in order of popularity that are attached to the word copywriting. All right, now that you know the keywords that you want to target, simply go through the content that's ranking already for those keywords and simply create better content than that. Of course, don't copy, but inspire yourself and create better things even. And if you do your job right, you'll have a very good chance at ranking because on average, Pinterest users will look at the top 60 results on a Pinterest search. Now, to learn how to get started with using Pinterest in 5 easy steps, I've created a free roadmap for you. There is a link below this video or around this video for you to download. All right, I'll see you there.